Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have an HTML file. Open it and pick the element you want to resize. Add a class or ID so you can style it without changing structure. Then create or edit a CSS rule like my text font size, 18px. You're starting with px for exactness. Once done, save and reload the page. Make sure to prefer classes for repeatable styling versus inline styles because CSS keeps your markup clean and maintainable. Now move to scalable sizes so your layout adapts. Define a root value like HTML font size, 16px, then use rem. My text font size, 125 rem so it scales with the root. Use m when you want size relative to the parent element. Also consider CSS variables, for example base size, 16px, and use calc for fine-tuning. Make sure your selector's specificity won't be overridden by other rules, and test changes in the browser inspector to preview instantly. Finish by making sizes responsive and accessible. Use media queries like at media max width, 600px. My text font size, 95 rem and keep line height around 4 for readability. Test on multiple devices and adjust the root size if needed. If your changes don't show, inspect the element. You might be blocked by higher specificity rules, inline styles, or cached CSS. As a key troubleshooting tip,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.